This is Robert Cross. I'm shooting a video for FTT 104 for Sonora Desert Institute. This is week 5 or 6, I can't remember, but this is the one where we field strip a firearm that we currently own. And the resources I picked for this one are the owner's manual. This came with the firearm. And we've got the schematic right here for it, page 45 of the schematic. The second resource, which I have listed in the other part of the assignment, is going to be the Shooter's Bible. And I found a schematic for Glock pistols on page 42 of the Shooter's Bible, Guide to Assembly, Disassembly, and Cleaning. Okay, we'll pan around like they like to do. I'm in the basement. All these neat tools, chainsaws hiding over there and stuff. Okay, no ammunition is stored down here in my basement. That's all upstairs in a completely separate safe. So this is an ammunition-free zone. But yeah, this is where I'm sort of setting up shop. There's the drill press, vise, some other things been sent by SDI. So let's begin the field strip of the Glock 19 that is now in frame. Apologize for the shaky camera work. Okay, so here we have the Glock 19, and part of the field stripping, or to begin the field stripping, we're going to drop a magazine, snap caps only, no ammunition, and then we're going to lock the slide to the rear. Clear the pistol, physically check, visually check, no ammunition, ride the bolt forward, point it in the safe direction, depress the trigger, and now it's decocked. Then you pull the slide catch down, go back just a little bit, forward, everything comes forward. Here's the field stripped lower receiver. Clean and clear. Here's the upper receiver. And field stripping means the guide rod and guide rod spring come out. Come on. Barrel is out. And slide is out. That is a field stripped Glock 19, not a 17. 17's upstairs. Okay. And then we're going to put it back together. So start with the slide. Back in it goes with the lug up. Okay. This portion of the guide rod goes right there, and then that portion connects behind the locking lug. This is a completely assembled slide. Set the slide cutouts back on the rails on the frame. And then just a simple pop. There we go. That's back together. To function check this pistol, we'll start without the magazine in it. But okay, that's forward. It cocked when we cycled the slide. There. Magazine is in. Magazine stays firm. Goes back. Dummy round chambered. Depress the trigger. Dummy round ejects. Caught the next dummy round. Magazine catch dropped. I'm just going to get the rest of the dummy rounds out. Okay. That dummy rounds out. Get rid of that hammer. Okay. And there we go. Slide catches on an empty magazine. So that's a good functions check. The only other way to do one better than that would be to take one out and shoot it again. There we go. So there we go. Field stripping, reassembly, and functions check of a Glock 19. There's our owner's manual schematic, and our shooter's Bible schematic. And Sonoran Desert Institute likes to make a very fine point of this. Only ammunition in the area with snap caps. Workspace is free and clear. Blow my snap caps back up, then we're going to turn the video off. Fantastic course so far. I'm enjoying what I'm learning, and I hope everybody else is too. Thank you.